Good morning, guys. Welcome to Basic Car Guys again. Gabriel here, and it's pretty early. I don't know if you can tell by the way I look and the my voice and all that. It's actually almost like it's like 8 o'clock on Sunday, which I mean I like to wake up early for the most part, get stuff done, so that way like I don't have like a plate of stuff to do. But anyway, today I'm actually gonna clean up the car from the track because it's obvious it's super dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. Now, here's she be. It's crazy because you can't really tell on camera for white cars like when they're dirty. But if you see there's grime there, some grime there. Sun is hitting it here, but the front end is the worst. There's a bunch of little like tire marks and stuff like that. Bugs, tire marks, grease marks. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. So yeah, it's pretty dirty, and I just wanted to go ahead and clean it up and all that. So I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Oh. And also here the wheels are like, because like whenever you're on the track the tires chunk up, and it comes off on the wheel. So this stuff is usually really hard to get out. So you have a bunch of like tire that's actually flung off. And I went off course a couple times, so I actually chipped my rim like quite a bit. I think on all four corners. Well, that corner for sure. And I think, no, this one's good. I know that one for sure, and I think this one here. No, that's just dirt. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it on a time lapse and show you the after. I'm just gonna do my thing, put my headphones on, put this on time lapse, and then go ahead and just get it done. So we'll be back with the after result. Alright, so I'm actually gonna do something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm gonna go ahead and let it emulsify, and then I'm actually going to spray it down with water, which is something I normally don't do because it's kind of like a big waste. But seeing that I have like a lot of like track grime and all that, it's gonna be pretty much like a double wash for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it emulsify for a bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down, so that way like it's like all the broken down dirt is like off the car, so I'm not like picking it up with the mitt and then, you know, breaking it down. But I'm gonna go ahead and here's what the car looks like. The front end was especially you see there, like it's full of like rocks and stuff like that, so that's why I want to break it down so I could just drop all this stuff down. You see it's coming down, like the gravity is pulling down the soap. So see, like I got like this is coming down, like if you see. So foaming definitely does help when you have the right soap, especially. This is again the Optimum car soap, which is the best foaming soap that I have right now, because it not only actually foams up with like very little, but it actually like emulsifies the dirt. Like it actually like pulls down contaminants and all that. You can see there the drips. So it's actually pulling stuff down, not just foaming just to say that it's foaming. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna show you guys when I'm actually washing it out. I don't know if you could tell, but there's like rocks and stuff in there, and that's why you do a double bucket, because this is gonna come off in one, and then in the next one you'll just get pure soap. So that's why I was trying to do the double wash method as well, double foam method, but yeah. So we went ahead and, you know, did the whole process, 2-bucket, wash off. Now I'm gonna do one extra step. I'm gonna go ahead and use the G-Technic W6 iron and fallout remover, just so it can pick up any contaminants that I can't see or whatever without claying. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash it out. And I guess I can wash out my radiator too, because it's got a lot of dirt. So. And I'm also going to apply a Hydro 2 Light, because just in case I took off any of the stuff that I had on there before, which is I have applied this on the car already. If I took it off, then I'm just going to go ahead and reapply it pretty much really quick. Just spray on and then spray off. So this is before like the dry cycle or wash cycle. So the way I'm gonna dry the car is actually with air. So I just picked this up. It's the Blaster Sidekick, the Air Force Blaster Sidekick. I think it's the Master Blaster. I don't remember. I thought that's what I ordered, but again, from Detailed Image. It's a little pricey, but is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. And I'm gonna show you why here in a minute, especially with a car that's like ceramic coated or extremely waxed or protected or whatever. This is gonna help out quite a bit. So I'm gonna hook this up, and then I'm gonna show you guys why this is actually worth it. Alright, so now that I have it hooked up, it's one of the only things I don't like about it. So you have to plug it in, which means when I'm mobile, it doesn't really help that I have this. But when I'm here doing like extreme details or whatever, then it's gonna work out perfect. So here it is. I have this attachment. I really like this attachment the most. They have a wide mouth, but this one's the best, and I'm gonna show you why. Here it goes. So yeah, as you can see, it helps out quite a bit with drying, and I'm not scratching the car, which is even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. I'm gonna show you, I think, and then that should be it. I don't really have much else to do. I mean, I can do the interior, but I don't really want to do the interior today. Because I'm gonna go ahead and clean this car, and it's kind of getting hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this, and I'm gonna show you the after of everything after it's dried and everything. Alright, and here she is, all cleaned up. Tires are dressed with VRP. The car was wiped. So I still kind of use one towel, one final towel. So even though like the air blows off a lot of the water droplets, you still may have a few. But to get a majority of them off, like I'd say like 70, 80, 90% or whatever with the Master Blaster, it's way better than trying to go in there, smearing the water, and then trying to, you know, fix those streaks. So pretty much you blow it off, and then you just fix whatever else is left with like ONR and a dry towel. So here she is, all cleaned up, all dressed up. She's looking good. Again, she looks amazing. If you guys remember the before, I'm gonna show it. I think I'm gonna try to show it now. And here's the after. So, you know, it's just a huge improvement. But for the most part, that's gonna be it for this video. Again, this is just a after track wash because I went to the track and I destroyed my car. Like the paint or whatever. Some of this stuff like here, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this is like chips, and I got a lot of rock chips. I actually have some paint spider cracks right there. So I don't know, I'm just gonna get another bumper. I'm thinking the 2017 Toyota front end and a Gretty lip, but I don't know yet. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, throw down some comments, and of course visit the Instagram page and subscribe if you haven't already, because there's going to be more videos to come. So yeah, stay tuned.